Hey guys, I just stopped here at the highway stop, and I saw this monstrosity here. It gives me in pulse mode, in full mode, it gives me like 60 microwatt per square meter. So that's a lot. That's a lot. You see, if I turn antenna in this way, because this is directional antenna, it's 30, it falls to 30, because there must be other sources there of high frequency field. But this, I think this is like some kind of a mobile tower, but it's strange, it looks strange. 60, 80. Ooh, look how it's growing, man. How it's growing. Yeah, high frequency field falls quickly with distance. Even the towers like this. Look at that. It goes 120, man. Wow. Yeah, here it falls down, but this direction. Yeah, there's another one up there. Look. Look. How polluted are we? Can you see that one? On the top of the hill there. Because I was thinking, why is here like showing like 17 doesn't fall down, and then I saw here is even higher reading, and I saw this little guy on the top of the hill. That's a real mobile network antenna. So if you like turn this way, the sound of the meter goes down. Yeah, but not so much. You hear it. Oh, there's all kind of stuff. Radio and all shit. But this one, look. Woo! Again. Falls down to 35. Look at that. So this is how polluted our planet is with this stuff. When the 5G is gonna come, it's gonna be even worse. You can hear on the meter how the sound goes down, right? Wow, man, this is so monstrosity. Yeah, it's like a mobile tower. Wow, look at that. This is where we live, man. Fucking shitty. And here's the radio, like the AM, FM. It's enough. Enough of this bullshit.